Hi OPPO lovers, good news. New launch is coming some countries, but OPPO globally launch OPPO Reno12 5G. Sometimes let's do our job and unboxing OPPO Reno12 5G. Still tune with me and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. OPPO is set to launch the OPPO Reno12 series in Kenya next week, and I happen to have the Reno 12F 5G, which is the most affordable model in the lineup. The series also includes the Reno 12 5G and the Reno 12 Pro 5G, but only the Reno 12F and the Reno 12 5G will be available in Kenya. The Reno 12 series is Oppo's first AI phone featuring a host of AI capabilities such as AI recording summary, AI toolbox, AI eraser and many more. I will be making a separate video covering all the AI features of this device, so stay tuned for that. In the box, you will find a 45-watt SuperVOOC charger, a USB Type-C cable, and a phone case that matches the device color. My unit here comes in this beautiful olive green color, but you can also get the device in the amber orange color. The display is massive 6.67 inches OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, which can dynamically adjust down to 60Hz depending on whatever you are doing on the screen. To conserve battery life, other specifications include 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, a 5000 mAh battery, and the MediaTek Dimensity 6300